Welcome, today I am with Skullcandy Indy and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your Apple Watch. So with the first, we have to remove our earphones from the case and move them to the pairing mode. Click and hold both earphones right here. Keep holding. When this indicator is blinking quickly, it means that they are in the pairing mode. So what you have to do, go for the Bluetooth settings on your phone, on your Apple Watch. Then go for the Bluetooth and take a look on the available devices list. Here we have our Skullcandy Indy, so we have to tap on it once. And after a few seconds, we are connected successfully. As you can see, that's very simple. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.